Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, Ramadan is around the corner, and inshallah, as of day one, we will have someone on the ground in Africa distributing the food packs. This year, our food packs are the same as last year, 150 for the masjid. It feeds up to 80 to 120 people. We have the iftar packs, which is $2. The family packs, which is $60 for 1 week. And the Eid pack, which is $25. So inshallah, start donating, start getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We all know how blessed this month is. And inshallah, zakat al-mal will be also taking zakat al-mal from people. And this is very, very important. And the most rewards you'll get for this too is during the month of Ramadan. So inshallah, if you have your zakat al-mal, I'm more than happy to take it and put it for use in the right place. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.